Hi, my name is Jasmine Richardson. I'm from Houston, Texas, and my pronouns are she and her. What inspired me to be an artist? My fondest memory was middle school. I was singing in a talent show, and Mrs. Pope heard me singing and said that I emoted really well in a song and thought that I would be great in her advanced acting class. I had no clue what acting was. I didn't even know what she was talking about, but she thought I was good at something. So that was enough for me to say yes. You know what? I was really, really lucky. My parents were really supportive. They allowed me to pick my own hobbies, my own interests. So that allowed me to be really decisive about things. So I think that aided me when it became time for me to act professionally or make that career choice. Because I remember going to college and majoring in theater and business, partly because my mom was an actress and my dad was an accountant. And so I was like, you know what? We'll meld the two worlds. Then I got into studying and I realized I don't have the mental brain. I don't have the the numbers brain for accounting. So I just kind of went the acting route. And honestly, it has served me greatly. And I just love doing it. So yeah, I'm really, really lucky that I had supportive parents. What do I love about being a performer? Honestly, it's the people. It's the fact that me as Jasmine, I'm a lot of fun, I'd like to say, but I get to portray all these other different characters and tell their stories. And I think the thing that draws me to acting is that it's like make-believe. If you just take it back to just childhood of just make-believe and playing pretend, I love that. Life can sometimes be a little tough. And so when you get to put on someone else's shoes, it just makes life more enjoyable. So I just love it. I love acting. What I love about telling other people's stories and why I think it's important in the world is it gives you a different perspective. It gives you a different, idea of someone else's walk of life. If we're always stuck in how we do things, why we do things, we never really get to know other people and their experience in life. And I think that has enriched my work, having a variety and diverse group of friends. I always have personalities around me that I can draw from to use in my work. So I love that. What I hope audiences learn is that it's okay to not know everything. When I go see a show, there's so many things that I learn about a character or a specific situation that I feel like I can use in my own life. And also work is it's like a mirror. It's reflective back of what the world looks like around us. Good work is reflective of what the world looks like around us. So, I hope that when people come and see me that they learn something or grow in some capacity, or at least it starts a conversation.